How do function parameters enable Python higher-order functions? Imagine a world where functions can do more than just run commands. They can accept other functions as tools or even create new functions on the spot. That's what makes higher-order functions so powerful in Python. But how do they do it? The secret lies in function parameters. In Python, functions are treated as first-class objects. This means you can assign them to variables, pass them around, and return them just like numbers or strings. Because of this, you can send functions as arguments to other functions. When you do this, the receiving function can call the passed-in function inside its body. This allows for flexible and dynamic behavior. For example, think about a sorting function. Instead of hard-coding how to sort items, you can pass a function that defines the sorting criteria. This way, you can sort by size, alphabetically, or by any custom rule without rewriting the sorting code each time. The key is that the sorting function accepts a function as a parameter, which it then uses to compare items. Here is a simple example. You define a function that takes two numbers and a third function called an operation. Inside, it calls the operation with the two numbers. You can pass in a function for addition, subtraction, or multiplication. When you call this higher-order function with different operation functions, it performs different calculations. Def do num1 num2 operation. Result is equal to operation num1 num2. Print num1 num2 result. Do 2 3 lambda xy, x plus y. Do 2 3 lambda xy, xy. Do 2 3 lambda xy, xy. In this example, operation is a function parameter. It defines what the do function does with the two numbers. Changing the function passed in changes the behavior without touching the main code. Function parameters also let you create new functions inside other functions. These are called return functions. For example, you can write a function that takes a number and returns a new function that multiplies its input by that number. This pattern is called a function factory. Def multiplier n. Return lambda x, xn. Double is equal to multiplier, 2. Print double fives. Here, n is a parameter that controls what the returned function does. This makes it easy to generate customized functions quickly. Using function parameters in higher-order functions makes your code more reusable and modular. Instead of writing many similar functions, you write one that can handle different behaviors based on the function you pass in. Python's built-in functions like map, filter, and sorted work this way too. They accept functions as parameters to process data in flexible ways. To sum up, function parameters are what enable Python higher-order functions to accept other functions as arguments or return functions as results. They allow you to write code that is adaptable, concise, and easy to extend. Understanding this concept is key to mastering Python's functional programming style and building versatile programs.